Let's add or change new email ID to your Instagram account center or Meta account center for your all accounts and devices. Here you can use any Meta application. Right now I will use my Instagram application. After opening, tap the profile icon in the bottom right corner. Then tap the hamburger menu in the top right corner. Then you will get this Meta account center update. Here, if you can't find out this Meta account, you can update your Instagram application. Here, just select login and security. Then as the first option, select contact info. Then you can add new contact info. Here I will show you two different methods. The second method, you can just tap on your email or phone number like this. Then select default contact info. Now select add or edit contact info. So from here you will get the same page. Now just tap add new contact info. Then select add email option. In this window it asks you to enter your new email ID. Type your new email ID, then just tap the next button to verify it. Here, Instagram will send a one-time verification code to your new email ID. So you will get it as an email or you will get this like notification. So you have to enter that confirmation code here. I will open that verification email like this. Then if you scroll a little bit down, you will get this one-time verification code. You can copy that code to the clipboard. Then you can go back to our previous window. Then you can paste that code here. After entering your code, just tap the next button. Then you will get this pop-up message which shows your email was added. This is how to change your new email ID to as your default contact info. Tap Meta account. Then tap on your email ID, select default contact info. From here, either you can select a phone number or email address, then it will be your new default contact information. So this is how to add new email ID and change it to default login method. If you want more update, you can click this in the screen videos and come on over. See you in the next one.